Hello guys and welcome back again to our YouTube channel, Han and Kai. So as you watch our previous vlog, it was a success story from the one we assist on their visa and she arrived safe and meet again her lovey-dovey here in Germany. So this time another story again, immigration story that we would like to share it with you guys. And this story is also a unique case, a love story. and that's why from time to time, if there's a chance that we can share to you their immigration stories, we would happy to share it as well with you. Para naman, when it's your turn na, diba, you have also idea and less nervous na sa'yo, diba? So his case is a never met couple, okay? They are both gay couple, okay? And it's not our client or it's not, they don't ask for assistance with us for their visa, but then sometimes they are asking about some information as well before he visit Germany. So this August lang din nangyari yung pag-visit niya. And I just want to share his experience sa inyo guys. I will not mention his name but thank you for sharing your experience sa amin para naman magka-idea din yung iba na plan lumabas sa mga susunod na araw, going to their partner as well under visit visa. And especially in Germany or other in Europe. So they are both same-sex couple and his partner is German as well and never met case sila. So yun yung unique. This August lang siya din nag-flight. And during his experience in immigration, so ano ba yung mga na-provide niya sa immigration? And ano yung mga tinanong sa kanya? So ano yung gagawin mo dito from Immigration Philippines, sabi sa kanya, saan ang punta mo? So sabi niya sa Germany and magbibisit po sa kanyang boyfriend. And have you met your boyfriend before? Not yet. This is our first time na magmi-meet. And then bakit first time nyo palang mag-meet? So, nasabi niya, of course, you also include it in your cover letter. Bakit nga ba, when you apply for a visa, bakit nga ba never met pa din kayo? Bakit hindi siya visit going to Philippines to meet you in person, di ba? So, there's a reason as well. So, sabi niya, yung partner niya has a senior parent na hindi pwedeng iwan dahil matanda na. And may sakit. So, yun yung sinabi niya sa immigration officer. And then, ano yung mga prinobide niyang documents at hinanap ng Immigration Philippines? So, hinanap sa kanya yung proof of relationship, like proof of convos, proof of photos and video calls, and proof of remittance, na katunayan itong partner niyang German ay nagpapadala or nagsusupport sa kanya. Also, hinanapan din siya ng affidavit of support, proof na sponsor siya ng kanyang partner. And then, pinakita niya rin yung CFO kasi August pa nga ngayon and until this September 2, so possible na kapag lalabas ka ng bansa, hanapan ka pa rin ng CFO until September 2. But then, September 3, as I said on our previous vlog then, wala na tayong CFO counseling sa mga visit visa na imi-meet yung kanilang foreign partner outside Philippines. Okay? Only for type D na lang or FRB ang CFO. Pero ngayon dahil August pa din, still valid. So possible hanapan ka ng immigration officer. So pinakita niya din yung kanyang CFO and then tinanong kung ilang araw siya mag-i-stay sa Germany and then pinakita niya rin yung invitation letter but then hindi naman chinek. So, mas maganda nang prepared ka. So, also yung passport copy ng kanyang jowa and e-travel, as I said. Also, yung return ticket nyo guys, na katunayan ay babalik kayo ng Philippines. So, yan yung mga hinanap sa kanya sa Philippine Immigration Officer. So, when he arrived naman dito sa Germany, tinanong sa kanya kung saan siya mag-i-stay. Sino yung bibisitahin niya dito at ilang araw siyang mag-i-stay dito sa Germany. Also, hinanap sa kanya is formal obligation, return ticket, and yung kanyang passport and visa. So yan ang mga hinanap sa kanya. Dito naman, when he arrived in Germany. Also, pinakita niya rin yung invitation letter pero hindi rin naman ito hinanap sa kanya. Pinakita niya lang in case na magtanong ulit yung German immigration. So yun lang guys, napakadali. So it's better guys na dalhin nyo yung formal obligation, yung original ha. As I said always, and I said it before, na binabalik ang formal obligation original after you apply for a visa. So ang kukunin lang nila yung photocopy na sinubmit mo, pero gusto nila makita yung original. And then they will return it to you kasama ng approved visa and your passport ng German Embassy. So dalhin nyo yung original kapag magpa-flight na kayo guys ha. Kasi hinahanap dito sa Germany immigration when you arrive, okay? So yan lang guys. And thank you also sa'yo na binahagi mo yung experience mo sa yung immigration stories. And we are happy din na i-share ito sa iba para naman ma-inspire din sila at magka-idea sila kung ano yung mga gagawin nila or ano yung mga dadalhin nilang documents. Also, para malas din yung kaba nila, lalo na kung sila ay first met as well like you and never been traveled as well outside. So, at least, in this video ay makatulong ito sa kanila para malas yung kaba nila pag sila na rin yung lalabas ng bansa. So, thank you guys. Abangan nyo ulit guys yung mga susunod pa naming vlog, especially sa unique immigration stories nila and sa mga other person din na plan ibahagi yung immigration stories nila. Just message us through our Facebook, Han and Kai, or in our Instagram, hankai_official. Para din ma-share din namin yung experience nyo guys sa kanila dito sa ating vlog, okay? Thank you guys, and please don't forget to click the notifications bell and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you are always notified on our next vlog that we will share here. So God bless, and also enjoy your staying here in Germany. And enjoy together with your partner. And cheers!